Welcome to Math 6. This is Mrs. Pomondon coming from far away. Actually, I'm making this video recording to help out Ms. Carino with introducing this topic on finding the area of triangles. I want to remind you that although we may know the formula for finding the area of the triangle, it's very critical that we understand why that formula works. And for the same purpose, I'm going to go back and review how we find the area of a parallelogram and why that works. So this is a really quick review of that. We can find the area of a parallelogram because we can cut the shape apart or tear the shape down, and using all the area that's still there, recompose it into a rectangle. So as you recall, when I take this and move these shapes around, I could make these shapes into a rectangle. As soon as we have a rectangle, we know how to find the area of that rectangle. We have, through conservation of area, that property that we talked about, have saved all the area that we had previously, and now we have a 90-degree angle that we can use to get the area of the total parallelogram. So when I had this like this, and it's down like that, the thing that I can create is the length here is called the height, and the length along here is called the base when we're talking about a parallelogram. So if we can't take it apart to actually show this line down here, then we imagine that that line is there. And we usually do that through a dotted line. And you'll see a right angle measurement, one of those little boxes that tells us that this is a 90-degree angle. So that's critical. So you'll notice that when we have a parallelogram, we can easily find its total area by recomposing it, finding the height and the base, also known as the length and the width, but we don't call it that on a parallelogram. All right, so you're going to get started on this project of how to find parallelograms in triangles. So do your best to do that quickly, and as you sketch it out, follow along with Ms. Carino's directions. And just keep in mind the whole idea of base and height. All right, good luck.